Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another Unplanned video. It's another beautiful day. I'm just walking down to the bakery, get some breakfast. They are putting some things up in the street. I don't know if it's running with the bulls today. I'll try and check that out, see what's happening. But I think we might be heading along to Vinaros, so come join us. Okay, so we've just dropped that rubbish. We're now heading up for the van. Got me a little bag of supplies here, drone and stuff. And I think today we're going to head to Vinaros. Have a little check out what's there. It's another Scorchio one. Woo. Nearly at the van now though. There's Jesus. Jesus on the hill. Just changing into me trainers because you're not allowed to drive in flip-flops. It's understandable. So I'll just put these in. God, look at the sweat on my legs. Whew. Let's go. Okay, we've arrived at Vinaros. Just parked the van up. Now we're going to explore around, have a little look, see what's here. There's the beach. We've got Vecna in Vinaros. Vecna just chilling in the upside down. Let's go. We've just had a little explore, been in Ale Hop there. Now we're going to get a drink and chill. Okay, we'll stop for a drink at this little bar, Sans here. My favourite thing is these bonbons, cafe bonbons. I'm going to let Pam mix it now, check it out. So it's like condensed milk, coffee, and it's just so good. Oh, amazing. So we've decided to leave Vinaros. We're going to Carrefour, just down the road. I'll show you when we get there. We'll go and put some fuel in the van and then head back, maybe down the marina, sit by the pool and get a little suntan action going on. But I'll show you some of the sights on the way. Beautiful Vinaros, by the way, beautiful. So we've just pulled up at this Carrefour. It's huge. Go and have a look around, see what they've got. Inside Carrefour, everything is so cheap and like at large quantities. Look at this. Carrefour was pretty awesome, some class little things in there. Also got this t-shirt, €2. What do you think? It's nice and cool. Right, let's go fill the van up. Okay, so we've now left Carrefour. We're now on something a bit special. This is the Delta Debra. I'm going to show you around in a second, but this is pretty cool. Check this out. Wild flamingos, crazy, like, you're just gonna have to see. Watch. is incredible. And we're just walking out, have a little look. So we're at the Delta, obviously, as you can see here. I mean, if you look around, it's just like barren, like crazy. But we asked the guy if we could fly the drone, and he said because they're like migratory birds and stuff, it might not be possible, but to ask the police. But on the DJI app, you can't even, it's an enhanced warning zone. I've never had that before. So it's like geo-fenced off around the Delta. So what we've decided is we're going to take the drone up to the Jesus on the hill, fly it out over town, round the Jesus statue, and just get some cool footage that way. So let's go. Right, so we've just had the drone around the Jesus statue, and you know that Jackson 5 song, it's as easy as 1 3 1 2 A C A B, and that's how the drone footage was. Pam got some great shots going round the statue over into the town. It was lovely. It is nice temperature now, really nice. We've seen our first cloud since we got here as well. So I'm going to put the van away and then possibly down the swimming pool, who knows. We'll take it from there. Right, the van's away for another day. We're just taking our supplies back to the flat from Carrefour. We're just walking down now. Lovely evening. These things here are what they've got set up for the bulls. The bulls running through the street. That'll be fun to see. I'm just walking to the marina now. Pam's so worn out, bless her. So she's just having a little afternoon siesta. So I'm walking down the marina, see if I can go in the pool and have a shower down here, then meet Pam later, have a couple of drinks. Look at this walk though, it's so peaceful. Going for a little dip, catch you soon. Oh, this feels amazing, having a little swim. I think I'm going to quickly shower up. There's the changing rooms just behind me. Then I think I might have a little beer while I wait for Pam. Cheeky swim, done. Beer now and looking at this view. Swim, shower, beer, done. Look at this view. When you come out of the marina, man, look at that. Beautiful. Whew. Now I think me and Pam's gonna get some tea together, some little food of some description, I don't know what, but I feel so refreshed after that swim. Honestly, to me, this is paradise. This is amazing, like such a peaceful little town, lovely people, beautiful things around, beautiful. Well, I've sent Pam a message. She's just having a shower now, so I think I've got time for another beer. Stop for another beer. Okay, Pam's coming to meet me now. I'm going to go to Chim, order another beer and an Aquarius for Pam. Pizza shop's closed, oh no. So we'll head up and I think we're going to go for a kebab for tea. This is literally perfect. Like, the weather is beautiful. Look at the sky. Just gonna get a beer now, an Aquarius lemon for Pam. Then we're gonna walk over there and get a little kebab. I used to dream about this. When I was doing night shift, this was the kind of thing I was thinking in my head. It's possible. Beautiful. Okay, got another para cerveza, an Aquarius lemon for Pam, and we're just waiting now. Then get a kebab. Right, we've just finished a little beer and an Aquarius in Casa Chim. Now we're heading down for a kebab. We've just ordered our kebabs now, and now we're looking for stays in Valencia. Travel down on the train. We're just having a look, so see what we'll find. So we've just had a kebab. Pam isn't a fan. I thought it was alright. I got the mixed one, veg, chips, garlic. Now we're just going to walk down and see if we can get an ice cream. So we've just been into the ice cream shop. They made us crepes. I asked if it was okay to film. That's what you've just seen. This is incredible, just a little crepe. Coconut ice cream and desiccated coconut. Pam got a dulce de leche, but they put dulce de leche inside as well as the ice cream. Woo, amazing. I told him it's going on YouTube,
I think mine's
so
diabetes, isn't it?
Pam's got a diabetes crepe.
Your teeth are about to fall out.
Diabetes.